Now, personally myself, like I've been in Australia and I've also lived in Japan, and I've come across a lot of students and academics, and I've realized that there is not enough creativity and there's also not enough well-being. There's not much focus on well-being. There's a lot of focus on the knowledge, but not how to actually manage knowledge in an effective way, and also how to kind of live a more effective life.
Well, I think if we look at many of the models that we have available for education and for management, they're very technically focused. Exactly. The argument is, if you adopt this approach, it will lead to this result. But the truth is, this approach in this context involves people. And when we talk about people, we're talking about a range of things. We're talking about their fears and their prejudices on the one side. On the other side, we're talking about their aspirations and their ambitions. We're talking about what type of people they are. And all of those things have to be brought to bear on the issue. I think a lot of the models that we have for management and a lot of the models we have for education are too technically focused. In the final analysis, issues have to be worked out within a setting that involves people, with their fears and their prejudices on one side, their ambitions and their aspirations on the other side, their particular personalities. So the skill, and I'd call it a skill, of working with people to bring about change is just as important as the technical means that one might adopt to try to get to the particular outcome you want. So I think we have to bring people in, and by bringing people in, it makes it possible for real change to occur. But the other question, of course, is that in the end, people matter. And if the means that we're choosing to deliver change is undermining what we might call the well-being or the welfare of people, one has to ask the question, is this really a desirable objective? And are these really acceptable means to that objective? So I think on both counts we need to think about people in terms of managing issues and being sensitive to the reality, and secondly in terms of clarifying our objectives, because if our objectives require us to treat people as things, or to treat people as commodities, or to treat people as cogs in the machine, I think we'll be letting down humanity, because clearly we're blessed with consciousness, we're blessed with language, we're blessed with hope, and that requires freedom.
Thank you.